Martial arts has four distinct areas. Entertainment, all of you have enjoyed a good karate flick. Fitness, without fitness, martial arts would be nothing but the waving of arms. Then you have sports, where people get together and exchange techniques, and then you have combat. In our demonstration today, we're going to cover some of those areas. We have exercises that begin with controlling the chi. They work the chi throughout the body, strengthening the internal organs, helping you become better in all the arts. Without the training to use your chi in martial arts, you'll find yourself being weak and ineffective in doing these things. The purpose of the exercises here, the first one is called Jamjong. It's done to circulate the chi, as I mentioned before, and it's used for standing meditation. The next two are doing Baduan Jin, sections of that. This is done to work the inner organs and develop the muscles and the bones and the sinews in the body. These exercises are good for the legs, the hips, all the things that you have to rotate. They're only doing parts of these exercises, just to give you an idea of what many sections. This exercise has 8 sections to it. This one has 3 different sections to it. So these exercises are done specifically to strengthen the chi and the organs and the bones and the muscles and sinews within the body. Also, you have techniques that are done that allow you to find your time and space, to identify who you are as a martial artist. These exercises provide you with guidelines and perimeters in the air where you must function in order to execute the techniques properly. Without this knowledge, a lot of your techniques are not consistent and will be very random. So by doing these type of exercises, it helps you develop specific points in space where you can execute your techniques. You also have what we call reaction drills and releases. As you start to get more into combat, you have to have timing of space and distance, height, references. So now it becomes more of a live drill. Okay, good. Then you have consistent reaction drills that build up stamina, allow you to feel the force of the opponent's oncoming attack, and you have to be able to hold your ground. Okay. From the beginning, if a person establishes this type of understanding of what they're doing, they can then begin to feel what they're actually supposed to do. Okay. Now we're going to have a short demonstration of light sparring. You two get in the circle. The light sparring without pads is a time when you can actually feel the actual point of contact, movement, using all the different techniques. Elbows, knees, feet, everything is involved. Most of the time when you're in a street situation, you want to take the person to the ground. That's where you want to do that, to eliminate him from continuing to hurting you. Okay, thank you. All right. So that's basically what we wanted to display, just to show that martial arts has the 4 areas. The first area being entertainment, which would be like in the movies. The second would be fitness and conditioning. The third would be sports, like going to tournaments. And finally, combat, where there is no rules.